In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your PIN or password on your Android phone in 2025. This is the easiest way to secure your device. Let's get started. First, open up the Settings app and scroll down. Tap on Security or Security and Privacy, depends on your phone. Now scroll down and select Device Unlock. And now tap Screen Lock to choose your lock type. You will see options like pattern, PIN, and password. Select a PIN or password, whichever you prefer. I'm gonna select PIN. Enter your PIN or password and tap next. Again to confirm, tap confirm to save it. And you can able to see lock screen. What do you want your lock screen to show? You can select either one of these options. I'm going with don't show notifications at all and then select done option. And that's it. Your phone now secured with a PIN or password. Close the phone and open it using your PIN or password. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Android tips.